Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Elliena here, and today I'm gonna do my go-to everyday makeup look. So this is what it looks like. It's not too much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share, and yeah, let's get to the video. So for the base, I'm gonna use the MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Oil-Free Primer. Then I'm gonna get Strobe cream from MAC. As I said with the previous video, get ready with me, this hydrates the skin, so your skin will be looking healthy throughout the day. Next up, I use the Rimmel London Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. Elliena Pro.conceal and a concealer brush. And then foundation from a collection called Lasting Perfection in the shade called Vanilla. Then for contour, I use the Revolution palette. With a tiny bit of blush. And then my nose. And then for highlight, I used MAC highlight, and it's called the Whisper of Gilt. Lastly, I've got a bit of NYX lip liner. Then I just use any lip gloss to finish it off. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little short video of my go-to everyday makeup look. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions on any videos you want me to do, then feel free to pop them down in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't already, follow me on my socials, my Instagram at Elliena and my Snapchat at Elliena. See you guys in the next video.